So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So in this video basically I'll be giving you some information. Like this video is going to be about the updates, like the travel updates that we have got. I'll try to give a clarification on that, the travel updates that we have got. एंड उसके बाद आई गिव यू द अपडेट्स अबाउट द 18 नवंबर वाला सीन जो गैजेट आया था उसके बारे में जो भी कन्फ्यूजन्स है थोड़े बहुत. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो गिव यू सम अपडेट्स ऑन द एडमिशन्स दैट आर गोइंग इन सम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और कॉलेजेस इन फिलीपींस, या उसका क्या सीन रहता है. ठीक है. So coming to the first point, that is travel updates. Okay, so in travel updates now, like all the agencies are there over there in Philippines. Okay, like any agency, like I also belong to agency, so we had got some information to submit our like passport details, ACR details and visa details and vaccination certificate, health insurance, all these documents, because after you submit all these documents they are going to file for the endorsement letter, and then only after that you can go to or you can travel to Philippines, because as of now the visa facilities, tourist visa facilities for Philippines are closed. Okay, so now update is for MD 4th year students and MD 3rd year students, their process is going on for the documents, that is that endorsement letter and that stuff, so that they can travel to Philippines. I think in this Feb they'll be traveling. So after that the number would be coming for the MD 2nd year students and 1st year students. So like this the process will continue. But the thing is, suppose now or after 1 month if the tourist visa services like the Philippines embassy opens the tourist visa wala thing, then you can, like anyone at any time can travel. Obviously you will need some documents like vaccination certificate and all that stuff, and you would be knowing that in Philippines for the tourists now, if you are double vaccinated and you have a RT-PCR report prior to 48 hours or 72 hours, I'm not confirm about it, you won't be doing any quarantine. If you are in a green list country, India is in green list country, so you won't be doing any quarantine. Okay, so I think yeah it's good, but we have to see when the number comes and this documentation goes on. Okay, for 4th year, 3rd year and 2nd year and all that stuff. So and then if we see the second thing, that is admission updates, like in some colleges the admissions are going on in back dates, like in Perpetual also admissions are going on in back dates. I think how much information I have got, and some students have also taken admission in that. And then about the 18 November, so I think I made a lot of videos on that about the gadget, and if the admissions in BS are like safe, if you have taken admission prior like before 18 November in Philippines, so it is totally safe. Okay, you won't face any problem. और 18 नवंबर के बाद जिन बच्चों ने एडमिशन लिया है, ठीक है, तो उनको पता नहीं क्या होगा, बट 18 नवंबर से पहले जिन्होंने लिया है दे आर टोटली सेफ. और अभी जो एडवाइजरी आया था इन दैट ऑल्सो इट वॉज मैंशनड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी सेफ और यू वुड गेट एनी स्पेशल रिलैक्सेशन, सो देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम. तो इसका मतलब यह है कि जो बच्चों ने 18 नवंबर से पहले लिया है उनका कोर्स is going to be same as of our course. Okay, like the MD is going to be 4 years, that's a constant. Okay, and your BS will be 1 year or 1.5 depending कि आप admission कब लिए. Okay, and depends on the college also. So your course is going to be 5.5 years और 1 साल इंडिया में आके इंटर्नशिप करना पड़ेगा. बट दैट थिंग हैज़ टू बी सीन, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट आने के बाद कुछ कंफर्म नहीं है यार क्या होने वाला है. सो नेक्स्ट जो भी रूल्स लेके आएगा दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी एप्लीकेबल. तो ये सीन है, ठीक है, नहीं तो नॉर्मल रहने वाला है. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज ऑब्वियसली आई हैव बीन regularly inconsistent in this channel for the past 2 months. So like I'd uploaded a video and then next video uploaded after 25 days. So obviously now I'll try to be consistent and I'll be uploading videos on every Sunday that are going to be of very good like quality and all that stuff. That is, those videos are going to add more value. Okay, so it will be going to be very good for you all guys. So do like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.